Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is James, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to get your Steemit account set up properly and how to make your first $4 on the platform. Let's get started. So usually if you followed my instructions on the last video, you should be at this point in the platform. So what you want to do is get your account set up. So first of all, I will recommend you go to your settings and add a profile picture and a cover so that your account will be looking more presentable. So you can just select anything. It doesn't have to be your picture, it doesn't have to be anything personal, just something to make it look nice. And you can also pick a display name. A display name is different from your Steemit username. The display name is what appears on your screen. So I recommend you do this later, but for now this is all we're going to do and get started. For now, just leave the other settings as they are. We'll get to explain what they are later. So after you've done that, your profile picture should it doesn't always appear immediately, so I recommend you go on about your business. So the first thing you need to do is get started on the platform, and the best way to do that is by going to newcomers community. This is where all newcomers are expected to first of all go to the platform. I usually get many complaints when I recommend people to the platform. They be like, they are confused, they don't know what to do, they don't know where to start. So as a newcomer, this is going to be your first stop. You click, go to the community, subscribe. Now the community is meant to guide newcomers on how the platform works, but in most cases people don't usually get what they're supposed to do. So this video is supposed to help you to understand how to get started in the platform and make your first $4. So what you need to do first of all is, after adding your images and the rest, you come under this newcomers community and look for lists and tutorials. This is it. Notice board of newcomers community updated. This is where you go to first of all, the first page. Now if you scroll down the page, you observe there are some people holding paper. Like let's say this girl, for instance, she's holding the paper. In Steemit, this is a rule. Upon your first registration, you are supposed to do an introduction post where you hold a paper up with your username, date of registration. That's the date you are making the post, not the day you registered, the day you are making the post. You are supposed to. Then you go to, first of all, you go to this notice. Now I will recommend you read all the instructions here, because this is what will help you get started on the platform. So you take your time, read. With time to come, I'll explain to you how to get delegated SP on the platform. That's worth $15 to $10, and although that's not yours, they will just share you the power so you be able to use it to post and get upvoted. I will explain what all these terms mean later in the video. For now, we're just going to continue with the first task you're supposed to do on the platform, that is making your first $4. So click on this link here, this link. Now this will get you to newcomers need some basic. I would really recommend you go through this post carefully. You know, most people don't know what they are doing yet, but still I recommend you just go. If you follow my instructions, you should be at this point of the page. So what you need to do now is read the instructions that are given to you. You click on this post for achievement 1 here, then you read what you're supposed to do. Now in the achievement 1, what you're expected to do is, after subscribing, you're supposed to make a post. Now these are the demands. These are what you're supposed to do on the platform. You're supposed to explain, just generally introduction, who you are, where you're from, how you got to know the platform, where did you find out about the platform, and just, I'll simply put it as your biography, just something about you that is going to help the platform get, during registration, you are not required to put your personal information like your name, your date of birth. It's a blockchain technology, it doesn't need all that. So but to help us know who you are and to be sure you are who you say you are, we would require you to make a post. They will require you to make a post on the platform, and these are the criteria you're supposed to meet in the first post for achievement 1. So your name, your country, your age, your date of birth. You don't have to put date of birth, no, never mind that. Your name, your country, where you're from, how you got to know about the platform, your hobbies, your educational background, just random stuff like that. Then for now we'll just talk about the achievement 1. So mind you, during these achievements there are always tags you're supposed to use. So for each achievement, I'll explain how the tags work. So for now we'll just copy this, Ctrl C, and now we'll go back to our subscribe platform. Remember, you have to subscribe on the platform first before anything else. Let me just copy this one instead. You have to subscribe on the platform. Now this what I'm copying right now, they are called tags, and they help the community locate your post. So it's very important you have you have them marked up. So now we'll go back to our newcomers community page. Since we have already subscribed, we click on new post. Now to ensure you are posting in newcomers community, you're supposed to see posting to community, newcomers community here. So your title is going to be achievement 1, introduce yourself, then at your country name, at your username, sorry, it's your username should be at the end. I think there's an instruction there that says what you're supposed to do. Let's go back and look for it. Achievement 1. Okay, I don't think it is here. Well, I guess where your title is supposed to be achievement 1, and maybe your country name, your username has to be there. Sorry, I keep calling it country name. Your username has to be there. So most likely your first post will be introduction, achievement 1. Okay, let's see this achievement 1 post by at the at, then your username, introduction to Steemit. I think this is a perfect title. So achievement 1 task by achievement 1 task. Okay, let me just put like this. Achievement 1 task by, then your username, then you go on and write your achievement post. Now when you are doing that, always remember to put your tags. Now there are 2 ways you can add tags. Tags are the only way the community can be able to locate your post. You either hashtag the way they are here. Okay, it's supposed to be separated. You either hashtag them here. You see, they're appearing as a hashtag here, but this is going to be at the end of your post, of course. At the end, it's going to be the last thing you put on your post. Or you just come here and simply type introduce. Oh, sorry. So just come here and type achievement 1. Now, sorry, I made a mistake. This is the same as this, but I recommend using this because this is more cleaner, this is neater, and you don't have to put hashtag here. Achievement 1 space newbie space Nigerian or Canada or whatever country you're from, just space in country. Doing this is equivalent to doing this. So I recommend you put your tags here because these are the recommended boxes for tags. Even if you don't, it's still okay, but I recommend you use this place. And here it's supposed to be achievement 1, that's your title, achievement achievement 1 task by. Now in my case, my username is at inbot, so I'll just go at inbot. Then you write about yourself, your educational background, your hobbies, whatever it is you are doing. This is where you're supposed to go. And when you're done, you just click on post. Now that is how you make your first $4. on the platform. Now, it usually takes within 7 days for your post to get paid out. Although you can withdraw it if you want to, but I recommend you don't, because you're just coming to the platform. I'll explain why you shouldn't in our subsequent videos. But for now, just this is your first task, and after it's done, simply just post, and after posting, it should appear on your profile. I'll make a post later, and here my background picture just came up. So be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. One more thing, I would explain that on your registration, as you are given 13 free SPs. This is going to help you post on the platform. It's going to be your startup kit. This is SP, and one SP is worth $0.5 right now. So I recommend you take your time and properly write your introduction post, and I recommend you write words between 200 to 300 words. They are not much if you look at it. And don't forget to you're supposed to take a picture with your username, the date of your posting, the day you are posting your task, and I think that's it. And the platform, you write at Aimbot, then under the at Aimbot put Steemit, then under Steemit put date. If you don't understand, just go to Newcomers Community as I did earlier and look how others did theirs. So you'll be able to get. Let's check this one for instance. You're supposed to make something like this. The country is not really necessary in this case, but if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any question. Thank you all, and see you next week, next video. Sorry.